Broadway medley.
Broadway medley.
It could be Cats, maybe.
Maybe Cats. Yeah,
Cats.
a little more firm.
Those guys didn't wear dance shoes either.
No, they didn't. Just cat suits.
You know, people came here tonight to see us dance, and which,
well, we're trying to
which
dance.
makes sense because that's what they know us for right now. But we have a lot of experience in other areas, actually.
Yes, I have an adult film coming out very
Oh,
soon.
not right now.
Not the place and time.
Oh, well, I saw the previous one. It was great. Thank you.
I think what he's talking about is my days with New Kids on the Block. Your days with NSYNC, Drew and 98 Degrees. And this young man right here had a record out, a couple of records of his own.
Yeah, I had it. Was on my
His boy band was hidden in his hair.
I had a lot of hair.
Strange.
That's true. So it was two of us out there the whole time.
You
I
were
wasn't
never alone.
I was never alone.
And now the hair is gone, and so is our youth.
Well,
we're not quite as young as we once were, guys.
We're not that old either.
Yeah, we're not that old. It's true, very true. You know, I think I got a song for that. Perfect.
You guys want to sing?
I know the lines. Yeah. You ready, Pete?